I will introduce you to the microscope case Microm workshop. The goal is to learn that some minerals, initially appearing amorphous, reveal perfect crystallization when viewed with a 10x magnifying glass or a 20x binocular microscope. And we will also be able to see other very interesting things, such as inclusions that the crystals have. Let's check one to find out. The room with oil inclusions or amber with an insect contains a fossilized insect trapped in the amber. We take this blue Zorita, we pick it up, and then we place it carefully in. Start with this Zorita that at first glance it is blue in color and no type of crystallization is appreciated. We will start with the 10x magnifying glass. With light, the visual enlargement is more noticeable, but the complete appreciation of it remains elusive. We switch to the binoc microscope with dosaging cap. It is amazing to witness the crystals. Now we are going to obtain a few needle-shaped crystals of aragonite, specifically from Pantoja. These crystals will be mixed with the mud, and we value and appreciate all of them. The facets are flawless. In addition, they are expertly finished. Here we can observe additional samples that seemingly lack interest, or else we would be unaware of their nature. It is amazing to witness the quantity of small minerals with varying crystallizations and diverse colors.